primarily on SEO and PPC campaign management. Today I'd like to talk about 5 different features of AdWords that you should be using to test and optimize your campaigns. The first feature I'm going to talk about is dynamic keyword insertion. What that does is it replaces your default text with the user search query, so it makes the ad more relevant to what you're searching for. So if this is an example of your ad and you have your title as your dynamic text, if a user searches for navy blue shoes, then it would replace this with their search query, making this ad exactly what they are searching for. And it also bolds that keyword, so it makes your ad more relevant to the user, and it also makes it stand out. So testing dynamic keyword insertion within ads and testing it against ads that don't have it is a great way to determine if this feature works well for your campaigns. The second feature that we recommend testing are mobile ads. Mobile searches are on the rise, and a recent Mobile Insights study found that 49% of respondents said that they've made a purchase from their mobile phone in the last 6 months, and 32% said they actually search more from their mobile phone than they search from their computer. So this is a really important trend that you want to be a part of. AdWords makes advertising on mobile phones really easy. All you have to do is go to the Settings tab and opt to show your ads to users on mobile devices with full browsers. You can be as general as all mobile phones, or you can be as specific to a certain brand of phone or a certain carrier. So testing different mobile ad groups and keywords and ad copy that are really targeted to mobile users is a really great way to be a part of the mobile marketing trend. The third feature that we always recommend testing within your AdWords account is the feature to add negative keywords. It's very simple to add negative keywords. You just put a minus sign in whatever keyword that you're adding to your keyword list. And what this does is it prevents your ad from being shown whenever a user includes that keyword in their search query. This is a great way to cut down on unwanted traffic that doesn't correspond to really what you're offering, and it can stretch your budget further. So always adding these keywords, you can add them at the ad group level or the campaign or an account level, is a really great way to optimize your campaigns. The best way to find what negative keywords you should add is to go through your search query report. What this does is it shows all the keywords that triggered your ad, and you'll likely be really surprised at what keywords you do find there, and then you'll be able to add them as negative keywords. The fourth feature that we recommend testing is the use of location extensions in your ad. What these do is they show your address and your phone number on your ad, as well as a link to directions to your business. So users can see that you're located in their area and find out how to get to your business. Studies have shown that 57% of people start their purchase process online but intend to follow up and actually make the purchase offline. So when a user sees that your business is in their area and that you're located close to them, it can increase your click-through rate and also increase foot traffic into your store. The fifth feature that we recommend testing in your ads is the use of site links. What these are links below your ad that you can choose which internal landing pages of your site that you would like to direct traffic to. So if you have a men's shoe page or a women's shoe page that you'd like to send traffic to, or a sale page, or a store locator page, these will display as links under your ad. This way people can go directly to the page they're looking for, and they've been shown to dramatically increase click-through rate of ads with the site links in them. So those are the 5 options and features in AdWords that we recommend always testing. Continually updating and testing your campaigns is a great way to figure out what works in your industry and to optimize your account the best way possible. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next whiteboard video.